Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. This is a really quick video for you all. So as you can see, my hair is already pulled up into a high bun, and I'm just going to make this bun a little smaller. So I'm going to show you some styles that you can do with the Instant Pony, and you've seen that before in my sleek ponytail video, so go ahead and check that out as well. So I just put my hair in a small little bun, 2 twists, and tied them down. So this is my Instant Pony. It's been stored in my closet in the packaging that it came in, so it's a little bit tangled. So I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb and my dimming brush to brush it out and detangle it a little bit. And then just to help out the process a little more, to make it easier and quicker, I'm going to be using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Conditioner. So I only had a little bit of conditioner left, so I just mixed some water into it, and I'm just going to use that to detangle the ponytail even further. And I don't know why, but this ponytail gets so tangled at the end, but I think it's because it's so long, and of course it's synthetic hair. So just be mindful of that and be careful how you store it. And I'll link below where I purchased it from as well. And now I'm just going to place the pony on my hair around that bun. So inserting that first comb and then the bottom comb. And then using the drawstring to pull it tight and secure it onto my head. Whew. And now I'm just going to wrap the drawstring around the ponytail, and that secures it even further. And I don't know why, but this string kept sticking out throughout the video, so forgive me y'all. And I'm going to secure the string down with the bobby pin. Alright, and here's the first look. You have a high ponytail looking like I Dream of Thee. See, that string just would not stay in place. I wish I could wiggle my nose. Alright, for this next style, I'm going to split the hair in half and just kind of detangle it with my fingers. Harper was trying to help me out with the comb. And I'm going to take one side, wrap it around, and then the other side wrap it and secure that in with a bobby pin, and there you have a quick top knot bun with the Instant Pony. And on to the next one. I told y'all this video was going to be quick. Don't blink or you're going to miss it. So we're still keeping it separated into parts, and I'm just braiding one half of the pony. And then the other half I'm going to leave unbraided. Wrap it around, and then wrap the braided part around that. So yep, just wrap that open piece around and then wrap the braid around, and you have a little braided bun style. And now for the next style for this ponytail, we're just going to take that down and braid the other side, and then we're going to wrap that up into a quick and easy braided bun. So just secure each side down with a bobby pin. And there you have it. Alright, now we're just going to braid the entire ponytail all the way down and secure it at the end with a hair tie. And then I'm just going to go through and pull some of those sections apart to get that loose braid look. And you could wear it to the side down like this, or you could also do what I'm about to do and wrap it up, and you have another bun. So this gives you a little more texture, something a little different. And then just secure the end with a bobby pin. And there you go. And those are the Instant Pony styles. Beauties, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. Click on this picture right here and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And watch these 2 videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!